Mechanism, beta. It's not a mechanism.
Mechanism of breathing.
Then
What do we
okay,
need? A wide
okay,
mouthed plastic bottle, wide shaped glass or plastic tube, one hold cork, balloons, rubber or plastic sheet, rubber band.
okay. Very good.
How do we proceed? Number
Okay,
first
wait,
point.
wait. Okay, wait. So as per we know, जैसे मुस्कान ने देख दिया, understand the mechanism of breathing. Means हमें पूरी mechanism, process हमें अब समझ नहीं है किसी पूरी process हमें बेटा समझ नहीं है हमें पूरी process समझनी है breathing की. Understand the mechanism of breathing. Breathing की हमें पूरी process समझनी है. Understand the mechanism of breathing. Got my points, all my dear? So we have to understand the what is the mechanism of breathing. So what we need is a wide mouth plastic bottle. Means हम wide mouth वाली plastic bottle लेनी है. वाई शेप्ड ग्लास और प्लास्टिक ट्यूब. वाई शेप वाली हमें प्लास्टिक की ट्यूब. देखो यहाँ पर है वाई शेप वाली एज लाइक दैट. इट्स कॉल्ड अ वाई शेप. ओके वैसे हमें वाई शेप वाली पूरी वाई शेप वाली हमें पूरी ट्यूब ग्लास ट्यूब लेनी है. प्लास्टिक ट्यूब. वन होल्ड क्लॉक. वन होल्ड कॉर्क मीन्स का पूरा उसका ढक्कन जिसमें से वो पाइप नली निकल सके. मीन्स वाई शेप प्लास्टिक ट्यूब. ट्यूब आर पार हो सके. वन होल्ड उसमें होल हो वैसा होल को. एंड बलून्स रबर और प्लास्टिक शीट एंड रबर बैंड. ओके आया बेटा समझ में. सो now let's check the procedure. First of all, note down the aim and apparatus. What do we need or what we have to do. Whose new ID is Makbul Khokhar? Whose new ID beta?
Sir, she is new student.
What?
Her name is Fatima Kokhar.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
you are new students beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Where is Insha Fatima Raujani? Why she is not answering? Insha?
Yes, sir.
Okay beta, you was perform the experiment number 4. प्लांट वाला एक्सपेरिमेंट किया है बेटा तूने. सब लोग
No,
उसने
sir,
रिव्यूज
मैंने
दिए
नहीं
बिफोर.
किया.
बाय.
सर, जब आपने एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर 4 करने को बोला तब शायद मैं absent थी.
No, but I think you was present over there. Okay, now I am telling you. If listen, all my dear ones. If you want any kind of the help, so you tell me. Okay, beta, I will help you.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay, now बेटा इंशिया तो पूरा वीडियो देखना और
Okay,
एक्सपेरिमेंट
sir.
देख कर पूरा वीडियो प्रिपेयर करना है. ओके.
Okay, sir.
ओके बेटा वेरी गुड. चलो डन. व्हाट डू वी नीड.
No, sir. Yeah. No, yeah.
Okay, those who are writing. So first of all, note down materials. What do we need, and then we have to move on. What do we proceed?
Sir, can I read this?
Yes.
What what do we need? A wide mouthed plastic bottle, Y shaped glass,
Beta, what do we? Okay, continue.
what do we need? A wide-mouthed plastic bottle, Y-shaped glass plastic tube, one hold cork, balloon, rubber, plastic sheet, rubber band.
Okay, very good.
Sir, my work is done.
Yes,
Sir, my
Alina
work is
Pradipta,
done.
what do we need?
My work is done, Raut and Muskan.
What
Sir,
do
my
we
work
need?
is done, Multani.
What do we need? A wide-mouthed plastic bottle, Y-shaped glass, plastic tube, one holded cork, balloons, rubber, plastic sheet, rubber bands.
Okay, very good. Chalo. Done all of you. So now for the yes procedure. Muskan, start the reading of the procedure.
Yes,
And
sir.
not done the yes.
How do we proceed? Number first point. Take a wide-mouthed plastic bottle and remove its button. Fix a one-hole sorry, fix a one-hole cork to the mouth of the bottle. Number third point. Take a Y-shaped glass plastic tube and fix a deflated balloon to both the forked ends as shown in the figure 29.1. Number fourth point. Insert the stem of the tube into the cork in such a way that the fogged end is present in the bottle. With the help of a rubber band, tie a tie a rubber or plastic sheet onto the open base of the bottle. Number 6 point. Pull the rubber sheet from the base downwards and observe the balloon. Number 7 point. Now push the rubber sheet upwards into the bottle and observe the changes in balloon. Number 8 point. Repeat the above two steps 3 to 4 times and observe.
Okay, very good, beta. Chalo. Iman Fatima, now you have to read it, beta.
Okay, sir. How
Very
do
good,
we
Muskan.
proceed? How do we proceed? Number one, take a wide-mouthed plastic bottle and remove its bottom. Number two, fix one hold cork to the mouth of the bottle. Take Y-shaped glass plastic tube and fix a deflated balloon uh, to both of front ends as shown in the figure 29.1. Number 4. Insert the stem of the tube into the cork in such a way the, that the forked in end is present in bottle with the help of number 5. With the help of rubber band, tie it rubber or
Hmm.
plastic sheet into the open base of the bottle. Number 6. Pull the rubber sheet from the base downwards and observe the balloons. Now push the rubber sheet upward into the bottle and observe the changes in balloon. Repeat the above two steps 3-4 times and observe.
Very good, beta. Excellent. Chalo. Now, Alina Kolia,
Yes, sir.
you have to read it, beta. And those who are listening, start drawing the figure, beta. Huh? Start करो draw
How do
करना
we
figure. Yes,
proceed?
Alina.
Number one, take a wide-mouthed plastic bottle and remove its bottom. Number two, fix a 1 holded Coke to the mouth of the bottle. Number 3. Take a Y-shaped glass plastic tube and fill a deflated balloon to both balloon balloons to both the forked end as shown in the figure 21.1. Number 4. Insert the stem of the tube into the coke in such a way that the forked end is present in the bottle.
Avi,
Number 5. With the help of a rubber band,
Sky.
tie a rubber or plastic sheet into onto the open base of the bottle. Number 6. Pull the rubber sheet from the base downwards and observe the balloons. Number 7. Now push the rubber sheet upwards into the bottle and observe the changes in balloons. Number 8. Repeat the above two steps 3-4 times and observe.
can I read?
Okay, now जमाने तकसीर फातिमा.
Yes, sir.
You have to read it better.
Okay, sir. Number one, take a wide-mouthed plastic bottle and remove its bottom. Fix number two. Fix one holded cork to the mouth of the bottle. Number three. Take a Y-shaped glass plastic tube and fix a deflated balloon to both the fox and ends, as shows in the figure 29.1. Instead, the steam of the number 4. Instead, the steam of the tube into the crock is in such a way that the forked end is present in the bottle. With the help number 5. With the help of a rubber band, tie a rubber or plastic sheet on onto the open base of the bottle. Number 6. Pull the rubber sheet from the base downwards and observe the balloons. Number 7. Now push the rubber sheet upwards to the bottom and observe the changes in the balloons. Number 8. Repeat the observe two, two steps 3 or 4 minutes and observe.
Okay, beta, very good. Chalo. Now Inshia Ramzani,
Yes, sir.
you have to repeat the procedure, beta.
Okay, sir.
Okay, beta, good. Start.
How do we proceed? Take number 1. Take a wide-mouthed plastic bottle and remove its bottom. Fix one whole cork to the mouth of the bottle. Number 3. Take a Y-shaped glass or plastic tube and fix a deflated balloon and both of the fork and as shown in the figure 29.1. Number 4. Insert the stem of tube into the cork in such a way that the fork ends and in present in the bottle. Number 5. With the help of rubber band, tie a rubber or plastic sheet on the open base of the bottle. Number 6. Pull the rubber sheet from the base downwards and observe the balloons. Number 7. Now push the rubber sheet upwards into the bottle and observe the changes in balloon. Number 8. Repeat the above two three repeat the above two steps 3 and 4 times and observe.
Very good, beta. Inshia Fatima, very good. Chalo. So I
Sir,
hope now you have to understand. हाँ बेटा.
Sir, can I read Malik Tahira?
ये ताहिरा, wait
Can I
now.
Kulsum Malwani?
Chalo, now listen, all my dear girls. Those who are not writing, first of all, you have to note down the all procedure. चलो सब लोग procedure लिखना start करो. चलो. Yes, now Tahira, start the reading, बेटा.
Yes, sir. Take a wide plastic bottle and remove its bottom. Fix number two. Fix one. Fix one. Hold cork to the mouth of the bottle. Number three. Take a Y-shaped glass plastic tube and fix a deflated balloon to both the both the froged ends, as shown in a fig 229.1. Number 4. Insert the system of the tube into the cork in such a way that the froged end present in bottle. Sir,
हाँ.
sir हो गया.
Okay, second one. Okay, write the well help of the rubber band. Tie.
Number 5. With the help of a rubber band, tie a rubber or plastic sheet into the open base of the bottle. Number 6. Pull the rubber sheet from the bases downward and observe that balloons. Number 7. Now push the rubber sheet upward into the bottle of observe the change in balloons. Number 8. Repeat the above that step 3-4 times and
Can I
observe.
read? Can I read?
Wait, Kulsum, beta. First of all, let him finish and then we have to start. Okay? Chalo. So now, all my dear students, we have to watch the one video here. Wait, huh? So now I am watching the one video regarding that experiment. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Understood, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good job. So let's check one just a minute. Again, I'm presenting here and then we have to check it. Chalo. Let us understand that experiment by video. Bottle. Remove its bottom. Then take the rubber group, Y-shaped plastic tube, and okay, now the first of all, stop checking those who are writing in the messaging chat box. Those who are writing the message in chat box are Mira Arfa, Kulsum. Those who are typing the message in chat box, last warning
Sir,
for you,
I am not
attention in the
there.
lecture.
Iman and India is there.
I don't want
Iman
any kind of excuses,
is
beta.
alpha. Iman
Listen carefully or
is not writing in chat box.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sorry.
beta, please attention in the lecture, or no? Okay, now that we
Yes,
have to
sir.
take the Y-shaped bottle, sorry, Y-shaped tube and that balloons. देखो pink color के balloons है वो हमें लेने हैं. As like that we have to put. And we have to arrange that things as like that. See, understood? यहाँ हमें बंद करना होगा. That is a balloon, huh? See, that balloon is a come out. So it's a breathe time. आप लोग breathe लो तो कैसा होगा? You are taking a deep breath and deep breathe and out. Breathe in or breathe out. So you feel as like that. Okay? See the mechanism of breathing better. See, as that they're the same things in the human's body, lungs of human's lung. Now let's see what happened in our body. We take in a deep breath, in or out. So what we feel? See, the things happen in our where see. What is that? Drops. वो drops है सब. वो drops suggestion दे रहा है. That is air, oxygen, carbon. Sorry, oxygen. O2. As like that, breathe out, breathe in. Whenever breathe out, so lungs is decreasing. See that image. Humans breathe inwards with two main states, inhale and exhale. Means breathe in or breathe out. Okay? Take in which air? See, whenever the breathe up, we breathe out, so it's exhale term. Breathe in the in exhale. Okay? Thorax activity. as like that, see, whenever it sleep, so 12 to 20 minutes per minute times per minute, 28 times per day, 12 to 20 minutes per day is the ratio of. Okay, so now all my dear students, I hope you all are understood. So as like that, we will going to be discuss the all thing in the next lecture. हम लोग ये सब